What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? If you're watching this, you either lost your gas cap or you have a defective one where when you turn it, it won't click. And sometimes if they don't have proper air ventilation coming out, you can actually stall the car. All right, so I ordered a replacement. This is the part right here. It's very basic. You're going to take the old one out. It's connected by this little grommet here. Pull this off. It's a little hole. You're going to take the new one out of the bag here. Just bear with me for a second. All right, you got the new one in your hand. Got the little grommet. You're going to stick it back in this hole here so it clicks. This way you won't leave it at the gas station the next time you're pumping gas. And you're just going to put it back on. And you're going to listen for the clicks. There you go. Perfect. That's how you replace a gas cap for a 2010 Toyota Camry. And we will catch you on the next one. What do we got to do now? Yo, Sonny! Are you in there, son? If you're wondering about anything with a 2010 Toyota Camry repairs, take a look at my videos, subscribe to the channel, and I hope some of the videos can help. If this one helped, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it, so it makes it to other people. And we will see you on the next one.